Alright, why backlinks are still important and how to automate them. Now, in order to automate the backlinks, what you need to do is you need to first know what are the good domains. So in order to do that, go and select a keyword. In SEMrush example, I'm using SEMrush, and here what you want to do is go into the keyword, click on any keyword which you want to rank for the keyword, and see whichever the domain is ranking at the top. So if I pull down, and I can see the sites, the page 1 sites. So we have got the SEO Writing.ai at the top. So let me just go on and try to get a backlink. So because these are all commercial websites, because they are selling their own SEO writing tool, and why would they give backlink to us? So it is not possible. So instead, what you want to do is you want to target the blog sites. So what I can do is I can simply type best AI SEO writer and go down and see if there is any blog sites. So we have got the Quora and Sintra.ai. So let me just take a look at it, if it is AI SEO writing tool or not. Let me just go AI employees your first digital work. Yeah, we can target this site and approach them to get a backlink. So let me just go here, and yep, so these are all updated. You can see March 6th. So we can contact these people and get a backlink because they are at the top page, and it is better to get it. So we even got the video carousel, and so if you're getting a video carousels, also YouTube video. So let me just go here. We can contact these YouTubers and get a shout out and make him post the blog. So that's how you do it.